Universal Studios for the first time in like over 10 years. Are you excited?
Yeah. Hopefully crowd levels aren't too bad.
So we have early park access and we're gonna head straight to Hogwarts Express. Let's go check it out.
Good morning. How's everybody this morning? Have a great day, everybody, and enjoy the parks here at Universal.
Have a great day. Good morning. How are you?
Thank you.
For me, Jared.
All right, we made it inside. Now we gotta head to Wizarding. What's it called?
4 minutes before the park opens.
All right, so we got our room keys out. We are in 3 minutes before the park opens. So it's definitely not like Hollywood Studios rope drop where everyone runs to Toy Story. So far. So far.
Hi guys, we need to figure out early park admission first. Thank you guys.
Watching them play with their wand. See, I think the only way you can get those fountains to turn on is
To buy a wand, yeah. Oh, something must be happening above us. How does it do it? So it's 9 o'clock almost. We have 8:58. We have 2 minutes. The train to Hogwarts leaves at 9 because Islands of Adventure did not participate in early park admission today. So we are booking it at King's Cross Station to head to Hogwarts. Says 5 minutes. All right, let's ride it. Senses are tingling.
Yeah, I'm half afraid on how I'm going to feel on that ride.
Yeah, but you're good for Jurassic Park, right?
Yeah, Yeah, well, that's not like...
It's just a boat ride. So Hogwarts made you sick?
Yeah, it's like...
Too much spinning?
Yeah, rotating.
So Mommy was fine, and Gringotts was fine.
That one was a little...
Okay.
When I started seeing all the signs that said, or if you're prone to motion sickness, which I am a little bit, I got a little nervous, and I know why it said motion sickness. Mission Space, those types of rides where it's all done with screens and stuff. And then fast movements on an articulating arm or something like we were on. I was fine with all the movements when we were in real life stuff, like the
scenes, yeah.
The autoerotica.
Yeah. The audio animatronics.
Yeah, that's fine. But when they would go from that into a video screen where you run the Quidditch match and flipping all around and stuff, it's
yeah.
Yeah.
So if you are prone to motion sickness, take that warning because they do tell you several times. He didn't get sick though. He just feels a little disoriented.
Yeah.
I loved it. I thought it was awesome. I think the only thing that would make it better for me is it to be in 3D. So.
I think that might make it worse for me.
Might make it worse for motion sickness people, but after riding Pandora, the Banshee ride in Disney's Animal Kingdom, I would say Hogwarts ride definitely stacks up to that. So the park just opened. It's 9:56, and we are headed on Jurassic Park. I really hope we're not gonna get wet on this ride, because I'm not prepared to get wet today.
Right on this.
All right, so it's a walk on. All right, here we go, Jurassic Park.
Once your boat is underway.
Here we go.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Protect these herbivores from the savage predators of their native period.
Yeah, we're gonna get wet, baby.
Second summer spring. Sounds like Coco.
I don't know. He's got an interesting look. We were trying to replace a Jurassic Park t-shirt that Jared had, and we found this sweatshirt for $45.
I would definitely do an extra large because it's probably gonna shrink.
Yeah, I like that.
I just wish it was gray.
Yeah, the gray is nice, but it is raining.
So I'm half tempted to buy it now and wear it because I'm thinking, if we go in something that's air conditioned.
Right. We got a little wet on the ride. I had to turn the camera off because we got soaked. I actually got soaked by one of the dinosaurs. It's really uncomfortable and it's already raining outside, so we were not prepared to get wet yet. So had you seen this before you rode it? You wouldn't have ridden it?
I think we could have at least evaluated what people are looking like as far as being wet. Maybe we could have taken some better precautions, maybe? I don't know.
Alright, so if you ride that ride, you will get wet. You are not going to get soaked, but you will get wet. We got wet.
Stomach, head. Very wet.
Yeah.
Not drenched pants and shoes, just midsection going up. Get blasted in the face.
It was a good ride though. Yeah, we're big Jurassic Park fans, so that was always something that we like to ride when we're here. 2 ponchos, please. We're prepared for more rain.
Well, we got our poncho now. We're in good shape. Let it rain, let it rain.
$10.
Well,
One size fits all.
if it didn't look like on the radar that it was going to start pouring in about a half hour, I wouldn't be so inclined to buy them, but I think I think according to the radar, it's gonna rain much harder in the next hour.
All right, are we gonna do Kong? If you are staying at a Universal Orlando Resort Hotel or thinking about it, the early park access is definitely worth it. The park opened today at 9, but for Universal guests it opened at 8. So we were at the gate by 7:45 and we got in around 7:58. So definitely a great feature if you were.
Please keep on.
Oh my God. What is happening? Oh my God, I knew it was coming, but I didn't. I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. He got me. All right, okay. Oh my God. I'm scared. Yeah, I know. It's like a haunted house. That was good. What'd you think?
It was actually better than expected. It's good.
I would say you had a good experience because you were right next to the windows.
That's true.
I'm smaller, you're bigger than I am, and I was on the inside, and first of all, I never knew where to look left or right because there were things happening on both sides.
Something you can ride over and over again.
It is. It was just very difficult. Like if you're not in a certain vantage point, you don't know what's going on. It was cool. But that's gonna do it for us from Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure in Orlando. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!